Charles Settlement is all about community and about people. We've been in Northwest Rochester since 1917, and through our entire history we've served children, families, seniors, and the community as a whole.
We are friends to the community, therefore they feel more comfortable to come to us and say, I have this situation, where do I go from here?
As I got more involved in Charles House, I realized that I wanted a better life for my children and myself, and Charles House gave an awesome opportunity for all of us to move on with our lives.
The Charles House is it's an organization which helps the neighbors. In other words, if you have problems, you can come here. It is part of the community because anyone who lives in this community or outside of it can come here looking for help, or at least direction.
Charles House is an institution in this neighborhood. We work with the schools that are here. We work with the city. We work with the residents to make a better and stronger community. Sometimes that's by planting flowers and building block clubs in neighborhoods. It's by running an after-school program that gives kids a safe place to be and helps them do better in school and have activities that strengthen their academics, but also give them a safe and fun way to play and get exercise and be involved in other activities.
Each day in a child's life, there are a number of factors that influences behavior and thought patterns. We try to play a role as positively affecting the choices that they're going to make. You're not going to see results overnight. You know, like with a plant, you water it today, I mean, it's not going to look any different tomorrow. Children, you tell them something today, it might not sink in tomorrow. Their behaviors might be the same as they were today, but maybe somewhere down the road when they've developed more, what you tried to do with them is going to make them a better person.
It is a passion for me because I've always loved children. And working with them have always been not a job. I wake up every morning just really realizing that it isn't work that I'm doing, it's enjoying what I'm doing.
We work with people across all generations that are here, and we adapt to the needs of the people who are living in the neighborhoods we serve.
There are a lot of low-income, frail seniors who are living on their own with minimal income and no hope for any other income. We provide services, be it wellness, to help them maintain their health or to increase their health. And we have walking programs, exercise classes. We serve a nutritious meal, breakfast and lunch, and sometimes evening dinners.
I feel younger. I look younger. I don't look like I'm 80 years old. And it's like going to church being here because I'm sharing with people who are sharing with me. I'm learning. Every day I learn something.
The strength of Charles House is the people that work here. We have some people who have worked here over 30 years because they love what they do, they love the people they're working with. And that gives us a sense of stability.
I have people coming up to me now that have been in programs since the 70s and 80s, and they say to me, you haven't changed a bit. And I said, we have magic doors in Charles House. As soon as you walk in, age stops.
I'm now starting to see children of children that I used to work with. The now parents that were then children enjoyed the place so much. They trusted what the agency was trying to do and trusted you as an individual.
I think when companies get involved in organizations like ours, their staff is strengthened because they get to work, in essence, on the front lines in areas that they might not otherwise even be exposed to. And it makes them feel good, but it helps give us the resources. And the resources, you know, funds are always tight, but sometimes the gifts of materials or the gifts of expertise and of time are every bit as important to us. We've been here 95 years. I hope we're here the next 95 years. And when we get individuals and businesses that want to come work with us, there's a certain richness and a fulfillment that people feel by getting involved and really meeting some great people and helping to improve a community.